There.
Brilliant, bonnet's off. Hi.
Hi there.
So, we've not really seen much of my car. We've seen me doing bits of like interior choices and other bits and bobs, but I've not really turned spanners and stuff. And obviously between myself and Dale, I think I'm the one that's got a little bit more work to do. So we're the lucky thing about using my really good friends at Reflex are they're walking distance. So we're walking up there now. I'm in there tomorrow afternoon and Friday to start stripping the car down so that we can start looking at the bodywork and just seeing exactly, we know it's bad. Just seeing how bad it is, yeah. We obviously bought the donor shell, and to be clear, it's a parts provider. It's a spares or repairs offering. Just to see what we need to start cutting up the spares shell. So I'm going to be stripping them down tomorrow. But Matt's had a little, he's taken the spoiler off and sent a picture. So I'm going to walk into the bush and play it cool. I'm not getting hit in the face.
Yeah. That's what I mean.
Yeah. Ow. So that's where we're walking to now. We managed to get new doors, get a new bonnet, get a parts provider. The only thing I didn't get, boot lid. The only thing we really need.
Oh no.
Apparently the boot lid's bad. Vive le croissant. Ow! Vive le croissant. So Matthew has already removed this. We've put it back in place to show you how easy it fell off. Matt said it was this easy.
Oh my god. Tom, look at it.
So we've got, just need a roof, I suppose. Oh, and this bit comes out. Oh, but this is okay because this. Hold on. Part and parcel of doing the Tom versus Dale. The genuine bit I don't think people understand is that, I'll speak for myself, I won't speak for Dale, I'm only allowed to make tea. So I'm a genuine car enthusiast, I've loved cars forever, but I'm not very good at doing cars. And this is why it's great, because we get the opportunity to learn, the Reflex boys get the opportunity to babysit me, in stuff like how awkward that is.
Yeah. I mean
it's just a bit of fiberglass, really.
Yeah. I think you'll be fine.
What's the worst that can happen?
I mean, at least the petrol cap looks like it's in order. Right?
Easy access.
There we go. There.
You know, sometimes you buy a project in the spur of a moment and think, oh my god,
that's amazing.
This is going to be the next best thing since sliced bread.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Dad bought that car. I mean, I'll show you the interior.
Yeah, come on in.
We've seen the pre. Oh, it's no better in here, is it?
Not really.
Oh dear. So the interior is coming out. Obviously it needs to come out. So that we can start to assess what we're welding. Everything.
What needs welding? The car.
Probably the list is shorter for what doesn't need welding.
Windows.
Windows don't need welding.
They don't need welding.
That's one thing on the list at least.
That's a good start, mate.
Yep. And I mean, technically you don't need to weld the kit because it's fiberglass, so that's two things.
That's just a fiberglassery thing.
So, we could cue the 18 music like on Top Gear. Ain't getting on no plane.
I paid the fool that builds a Renault.
me too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey Hannibal, you make this sucker shut up.
Hi.
Right.
Yeah.
So I am the ultimate weekend warrior.
Look at you.
Got my Halfords Advanced kit. That's the limited edition black.
Yeah, buddy. What's over here? It starts now, Thomas. It starts now. Oh. Okay.
One's coming off. Oh, look at it. I forget how good that is.
Yeah, buddy.
It's a lifetime warranty. Well, to me, my expert opinion, that looks like an 8mm.
20 pieces it is.
Oh,
not.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, you owe me 20p.
That's one off. It's two off. Brilliant, bonnet's off. So basically, thanks Helping for the spanner kit, but they all broke. This is great. People say that car building is hard.
I think car building is, car tearing apart is not.
That is a good point.
Hi. Do you need any help?
Can you look after this for me?
Oh yeah?
Wind it in, mate.
Wind it in.
Be careful of that rear glass, we're using that. Mate, it's a project car.
Are these swimming trunks? That's grim.
It's grim. I found my favourite button.
What's your favourite button, mate?
Found this.
What's that, boost gauge?
No, well, yeah, it's the LG gauge. So you turn it up.
Oh yeah?
See? West side is the best. I'm bored now.
Oh.
Hang on. Oh, hang on. Oh, you. You realise I had hubcaps?
What frisbees?
Colour cup.
Oh, I actually thought you threw it.
Turns out that we definitely need to change the roof over.
This doesn't have a roof.
It really doesn't have a roof. What happens if the carpet's holding it up?
Find out. Oh look, outside.
It's a good thing they're renowned for being a sturdy, reliable European build.
Yeah. Le croissant lives on.
Le croissant lives on. Oh, look out. There's hope. Someone's had Fratella in here. It's a classy car.
Right, I'm gonna go back to work. You can stay here and work on this.
Don't leave me.
If you want to see Tom try and make this car a Renault 5.
What do you mean?
A Renault 5 again.
This
Like and subscribe.
I think it's one of the better Renault 5s I've seen. If people like it, they'll subscribe to it because then they get a notification. The most important thing, and the only thing they need to know is Team Tom. I do that because it's like X Factor.
If Dale's the guy.
Dale's the guy.
You're the gal?
My boob's big enough.